Hey guys, it's Maureen. So I'm so excited that I grew broccoli and cauliflower and I made this yummy dish. So I'm going to show you how I cooked up this creamy dish. So first of all, of course, you need your veggies. So we're going to cut up the broccoli into small little chunks, pieces, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, make sure it's washed, right? Because you don't want to have anything stuck in between. And then I moved on to cut my cauliflower. Yeah, it isn't the prettiest of looking, but yeah, it'll do. I cut my yellow peppers, my red peppers, my onion, I also cut the green onion, some carrot. I also had some garlic. So now I started with boiling my cauliflower and broccoli. So I'm only going to be using aromat for this recipe. I'll not be adding any salt because aromat has salt in it. Yeah, so we're just going to let that cook for 5 to 8 minutes, and while that's cooking, I'm going to fry up all the vegetables together. Just make sure that everything cooks up nicely. More aromat. I did add that fresh garlic. So yeah, then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. This is all-purpose flour. Yeah, but I guess you can use any flour that you have, but yeah, this is all-purpose. So you just want to let that flour cook before adding in your milk. Then you add your milk. You're then going to mix everything together. At this point, everything is going to thicken because of the flour. It's going to be this thick mixture. So at this point now, we're going to add our broccoli and our cauliflower. We're assuming that it's now been 8 minutes since we put it in the fire. So yeah, it's ready. So now we're just going to add everything in the pot. We'll be adding the water from the cauliflower just bit by bit. We don't want to add everything because we don't want it to be too watery. Yeah, so you just keep adding slowly until you get the consistency that you want. Yeah, so this was me now just mixing everything just to make sure that the flour and the milk and the veggies, everything just mixes up together. At this point, everything is cooked. All we need is like a minute or so just for everything to come together and cook nicely. See? Look at that. It looks amazing. You don't want it overcooked because you don't want your broccoli to start turning yellow. But yeah, it's amazing, guys. It tastes really nice. I urge you guys to try this recipe. It's very easy and the ingredients are not very hard to find as long as you have the broccoli and the cauliflower. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really enjoyed this dish. Let me know if you do try it, and make sure you subscribe for more, or you follow me, or you like, share. Thanks for watching.